Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about 7th class mathematics lecture. In this, we will start our first chapter, that is integer. In this, we will study in the previous lecture about the integer, what are the integer, what are the properties of integer, how will be the mathematical operation will be done on the integer. We will also learn about addition of integer, properties of addition of integer, subtraction of integer, properties of subtraction of integer, multiplication of integer, properties of multiplication of integer, and also we will done division of integer and properties of division of integer. So these are the mathematical operation on the integers. So we will discuss division of integer. Now we will also discuss properties of integers. So let us look at again properties of division of integer. Division of an integer by 0 is not defined. If we divide an integer by 0, then it is not defined. Here the result is not defined. Property second is 0 by a, 0 by a, that is 0 by, if मैं 0 by 2 लेता हूँ तो वो मेरा क्या आएगा, 0 ही आएगा. So a not equal to 0, a is an integer. Now the third property is if a and b are any two integers, अगर हमारे पास दो integer है, then a by b is not necessary an integers. ये भी हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था. जैसे 32 by 2 आएगा 17, but 34 by 5 is not an integers. So a by b is not equal to b by a. If अगर मैं 1 and 2 integers take, then 1 by 2 not equal to 2 by 1. So this is wrong. So these are the property, and also integer a divided by 1 is equal to a. If we divide any integer by 1, then we will also get the same integer. So these are the property that we will discuss in our previous lectures. So now we are at the completion of this chapter. We are now at the completion of the first chapters. So today we will discuss about some question answer of exercise 1.1. So what is the first answer? We have to divide minus 75 divided by 5. So when we divide 75 by 5, we will get 5 1 ja 5, 2 5 ja 15. Then we will get minus 15 from here. मैंने आपको बताया था कि आपको अगर डिवीजन में ऊपर नेगेटिव और नीचे पॉजिटिव है, देन ओवरऑल जो हमारा रिजल्ट है वो नेगेटिव आएगा. और ऊपर पॉजिटिव नीचे नेगेटिव है, अपोजिट साइंस विल बी प्रेजेंट, फिर भी नेगेटिव आएगा. अगर दोनों साइड ऊपर और नीचे पॉजिटिव है, देन आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. नेगेटिव है, सॉरी, ऊपर और नीचे दोनों साइड में नेगेटिव है, देन आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. एंड ऊपर और नीचे, दैट इज द डिनोमिनेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर, बोथ आर द पॉजिटिव, देन द आंसर विल बी positive. So these are the four results that we will discuss in our previous lectures. So you have to divide 75 by 5. So divide 75 by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 2 25, 5 5 ja 15. So our result is 15. But 15 is negative sign. 15 will be taken as a negative sign because 75 is negative sign and 5 एज ए पॉजिटिव साइन. सो ऊपर नेगेटिव नीचे पॉजिटिव, देन ओवरऑल रिजल्ट जो हमारा क्या आएगा वो नेगेटिव आएगा. तो इस तरीके से क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करके और हम क्या करेंगे, इसके एक्सरसाइज जो 1.1 है वो क्या करेंगे, कंप्लीट करेंगे. नाउ if we have to divide this question, take this question, minus 18 divided by minus 6 plus minus के 17 minus में minus के 60. So in this, first of all we divide this, we divide this, then minus के 18 divided by minus के 6, numerator is minus, denominator is minus, then minus minus plus 6 3 ja 18. So we will get here in this bracket we will get 3 plus minus 17 minus का 6, minus 17 minus 6. So minus 17 minus plus 16, that is equal to our result is minus 1. So here we will get minus 1. So here we will get minus 1. Here this is the sign of division also. Here this is the sign of division also. Sorry student, here is the division, sign of the division. So division as it is, and this bracket result is minus 1. So now we have to divide 3 by minus 1. 3 by minus 1. So result is 3, but the sign is negative because above numerator is positive, denominator is negative, then overall sign is negative. We also know that when the integer divided by 1, then we also get same integers. So this is the property of division of integer. So by this method we can solve this type of questions. तो आपको इन मेथड्स का यूज करके और इन क्वेश्चंस को क्या करना है, सॉल्व करना है. अभी हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस और देखते हैं जिसमें आपको क्या बोला गया, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. सो व्हाट हाउ वी कैन कंप्लीट दिस स्टेटमेंट. 278 डिवाइड बाय 270. हाउ व्हाट आर द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट? दैट इज वी हैव टू डिवाइड 278. Which number here we will take to get 278 result? So we will divide by this 1. We will also know that if we divide an integer by 1, then we get same integer. So here 1 will be taken. Now we have to find out here minus 65 divided by which number? So we will get minus ka 1. So we will divide this by 65. Okay, now take 65 divide by 65, we will get this will be cancel out this, then minus 1 divided by 1, that is equal to minus 1, because minus 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1 and negative sign will be taken. Here numerator is negative, denominator is positive, then these are opposite signs, so negative sign will be appear in the results. So by these properties we can solve the exercise 1.1. In the next class we will solve our statement problem, and we will also cover some question of revision exercise. So you have to done this exercise 1.4 on your notebook, and this chapter is almost completed. This chapter is almost completed. I will take one lecture on this topic for completing the statement question that are the present in different exercise. So this is the end of your lecture, and you have to done your homework as a exercise 1.1. So this is the end of your lecture. Thank you.